Good morning to all. I am myself Dr. G. Sabitra as Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Biochemistry, ADM College for Women, Nagapattinam. My topic is bioenergetics. Energy is the capacity or ability to do work. All organisms need a constant supply of energy for functions such as motion, transport across the membrane barriers, synthesis of biomolecules, information transfer, maintain the body temperature, etc. The cell can transform the chemical energy to mechanical energy or potential energy. Bioenergetics is a branch of biochemistry that focuses on how cell transform the energy, often by producing, storing or consuming the adenosine triphosphate. Bioenergetics is a process such as cellular respirations or photosynthesis are essential to most aspects of cellular metabolism, therefore to life itself. Bioenergetics, life is an energy intensive process. It takes the energy to operate the muscles, extract waste, make a new cell, heal the wound, even to think. What is bioenergetics? The study of energy in living systems and the organism that utilize them. Energy is required by all organisms, may be kinetic and potential energy. Energy is capacity to perform a work. Two examples, kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy is a process doing a work, energy is a motion. Examples, heat and light energy. Potential energy that matters occupies because of locations, arrangements or position. Energy is a position. Example, water behind the dam. Chemical energies, the cylinder filled with the gas. Thermodynamics, the study of energy transformation that occur in the collections of matter. The thermodynamics involved in the bioenergetics metabolism used in the two laws, first law of thermodynamics and second law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics, energy cannot be created or destroyed but only converted to other forms. This means amount of energy in the universe constant. The second law of thermodynamics, only those events that result in a net increase in disorder will occur spontaneously. Free energy is used in the thermodynamics first and second law. Free energy in thermodynamics, energy-like property or state function of a system in thermodynamic equilibrium. Free energy has the dimensions of energy and its value is determined by the state of the system and not by its history. Free energy is used to determine how systems change and how much work they can produce. Gives free energy exchange. G is the portions of total energy change in the system available doing work. It is useful energy. Delta G equals delta H minus d delta S. Delta G is denoted by the free energy. Delta H is denoted by the enthalpy. Delta S is denoted by the entropy. Exergonic reaction. When a reaction proceeds with the release of free energy, the free energy change delta G has a negative value. The reaction should be exergonic. Example, glucose plus 6O2 is converted into carbon dioxide, water and 1 ATP molecules is produced. Entergonic reactions. In entergonic reactions, the system gain the energy is positives. It involved the photosynthesis. 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 water molecule, it gives the 1 glucose molecule plus 6 oxygen. Free energy and metabolism. Concept of free energy can be applied to biochemistry of life process. Exergonic reaction, net release of the free energy spontaneous. The figure 1 shows the reactant is converted into the product, the energy is released. The delta G less than 0, the energy is released, free energy is released. That is exergonic reactions. Endergonic reaction absorb the free energy from its surrounding and non-spontaneous. The figure 2 shows the free energy. Reactants involved the energy with the surrounding free energy non-spontaneously involved, then reactant is converted into the product. Delta G is greater than 0 is the energy required. These are the energy transformation from chemical energy to kinetic energy, light energy to the chemical energy. Enthalpy. Enthalpy is denoted by the delta H. Enthalpy is a heat content reacting system. It reflects the number and kinds of chemical bonds in the reactant and product. When a chemical reaction releases the heat, it should be a exothermic. The heat content of the product less than that of the reaction. Delta H value is negative. The reaction system take up the heat from the surrounding or endothermic and have a positive. Entropy. Entropy is denoted as delta S. Entropy is a quantitative expression of randomness disorder of a system. When a product of your reactions are less complex and more disordered than the reactants. The reaction should be proceed with the gain of entropy. Unit of delta S, joules per mole, calories per mole. In entropy and enthalpy changes, in entropy is increased in the spontaneous at all the temperatures and spontaneous is the high temperature. If entropy is less than 0, is spontaneous as the low temperature, non-spontaneous at the all temperature. Coupled reactions. Endergonic reaction can also be pushed by coupling them to another reaction which is strongly exergonic, often through the shared intermediate. Many chemical reactions are endergonic, spontaneous and require energy to be externally applied to occur. However, this reaction can be coupled to separate the exergonic reaction that drive the thermodynamically unfavorable one by coupling or magnetically joining the two reactions often via a shared intermediate. Since Gibbs energy is a state function, the delta G values for each half reaction may be summed to yield the combined delta G of the coupled reactions. One simple example of the coupling of the reaction is the decomposition of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, it gives the calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. This is a common features in biological system where some enzyme catalyzed reactions are interpretable as two coupled half reactions, one spontaneous and other is non-spontaneous. Organism often the hydrolysis of ATP to generate the ADP as the spontaneous coupling reaction ATP plus water molecule to gives a ADP plus inorganic phosphate. The phosphoanhydride bonds formed by ejecting water between the two phosphate group of ATP exhibit the large negative delta G of hydrolysis and are thus often termed as a high energy bonds. However, as with all bonds energy it required to break these bonds, but the thermodynamic Gibbs energy difference is strongly energy releasing when including the solvations of thermodynamic of the phosphate ion. Delta G for these reactions is 31 kilojoule per mole. In these reactions, adenosine triphosphate is involved. The reaction is converted into adenosine diphosphate added to the water. In this reaction added to the water molecule and release the energy. One phosphate group is released. Adenosine triphosphate is converted into the adenosine diphosphate. In this overall endergonic and exergonic reaction, reactant is converted into the product. The product have a less energy than reactant. This spontaneous reaction is exergonic reaction, and endergonic reaction, reactant is converted into the product. Product have a more energy than reactant, non-spontaneous. Thank you.